Okay. We went and we found these right here and we tied them up. We're going to pull them out. And Lee found this one coming after him. Killed it with a pistol. It's got shots all over it.
He shot all the hell. Shot him in the neck. And he turned around. You know, I can't even talk. Breathing sit down hard. Shot
Here,
him in the
you
neck,
get.
and then he turned around. I got him all in the butt.
Here, cut a piece of this rope. Let's tie this on so we. I think we got another one up there somewhere.
Yeah, I think there's another one in there.
And this is the second bunch. We ain't pulled the first bunch out yet.
This sucker still.
You out of bullets, ain't you?
No, I got another magazine.
Oh,
I put in.
40 in him.
Huh?
That's a 9. That's why I don't carry a 9.
Yeah. I got rid of my 45.
Huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go back and give me another one now.
Yeah, I told you.
You gonna put him in there?
Here's an end right here.
I know, I'm trying to.
He dead now.
Need some of that water.
There's got to be
too.
another end there somewhere.
Look at all the shots.
I know, I told you I hit him in the neck that one time and then he turned around on me and I lit his ass up.
Okay. Got the Roxar there. We may have 1 or 2 more. We're not sure yet. We're going to pause here. Okay. We got them tied up like a stringer of fish here. We got 5 behind the Roxar. And this is our second bunch. We're still looking for dead ones here. And we got 4 up at the other spot. There he is. He's coming out. Let's meet him up there. Okay. We got these drug up. Got our hook saw. Now we'll go get the first bunch.
Got one more.
Yeah, we got 1 more bunch to get out of here. Roxar worked on that. Alright, let's go get the other bunch. Oh, that's a hell of a pig here. That's a big pig.
A little over 300. That would have been one of our competition pigs. They wouldn't even place. We got that one back there fine. Alright, right there. We got some cows here. Yeah, probably
Pull up a little bit.
Pull up a little bit.
Okay. We're stringing them on here. You got him? Just loop it over, let him. All you got to do is loop it over the thing. Alright, we ready? Make sure he's coming with us.
That's a sheep. Big old sow.
Alright, this is the pig here that tried to get Lee. He shot this one from 5 yards with a pistol.
In fact, we were sitting on our tripod right
right there by the bale and this fish. Where he
right here.
finally, when he got him down, he's right there. You didn't pick your brass up? Alright. We got 3 back there. We're gonna hook this one up too. Uh-oh. He shot, is he shot in the jaw?
Yeah, I hit him in the jaw.
I know he's got 2 holes. I know he's got 2 6.5s in him. Y'all saw that.
I hit him a couple times with that old, about his old jaw.
Hook him by the leg. But do the back leg.
I already hooked him.
Here.
Yeah, we thought this hog was big.
Go the other way, Lee. Other way. You're on his joint.
Look at the size of that big sow back there compared to these.
Shit, I already got it.
No, you didn't. You
Yes,
just
I
went
did.
through one side.
No, I didn't. I seen the knife come out of there. There you go.
Look at the size of that big sow compared to these.
Yeah. Okay, we got them all strung on here. Let's see if we can get out with them. Make sure he stays with us. Is it coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Who do you think?
You want a man to get it?
Yeah, who put the loop in this sucker?
You want a man to get it? I know I got one.
Okay,
What's that called?
that's the thing here. All right, got one more rope there. That's 9 for the night. All right.
I gotta get me some pictures of this.
Okay, we fixing to go check another place, see if we can get some more.